Hey there! Today we're going to walk through how to build a booking calendar screen using the Ionic Design Kit. If you're working on an appointment, event, or service app, this screen is essential. Let's get right into it. On the left-hand side of your screen, we explore coding with official Ionic documentation snippets. In the center of your screen, we highlight our thoughtfully designed layout created using the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, a phone emulator displays the real-time outcomes of our coding. Feel free to pause this video anytime to catch all the details. Alright, let's talk about the booking calendar screen. This is the place where users select dates and times for their appointments or events. A good calendar interface doesn't just show dates, it highlights available time slots, makes navigation between days or months easy, and can even include booking confirmations or reminders. Getting this right is key to making your app feel reliable and user-friendly. So how do we create a calendar that's both functional and visually clean? That's where the Ionic Design Kit comes in. Designers can drag and drop pre-made calendar components, time pickers, and buttons in seconds. Developers get everything ready from the Ionic framework, so there's no need to code complex interactions from scratch. You can even integrate with user calendars or add visual indicators for booked slots without slowing down the process. Everything stays neat, responsive, and focused on a smooth user experience. And remember, all the code snippets and assets are available on our website to guide you along the way. Ready to level up your Ionic projects? The Ionic Design Kit makes building smart, intuitive, and polished screens faster than ever. Build better, build faster, and keep your users coming back. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like, share it, and subscribe for more practical guides. See you in the next video.